Mississippi lawmakers are moving forward with a proposal that could become one of the strictest abortion laws in the nation.
Yeah, the House Public Health Committee amended and passed Senate Bill 2116. The bill would ban most abortions once a fetal heartbeat is detected about 6 weeks into pregnancy. The bill moves to the full House for debate another day. Similar bills are being considered in other states, including Tennessee. Mississippi enacted a 15-week abortion ban last year, and a federal judge declared the law unconstitutional. The state has appealed that ruling. Republican Governor Phil Bryant has said he will sign the new bill into law.